Creating a YouTube channel is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Here's a detailed guide on how to create your own YouTube channel. First, you'll need to create a Google account if you don't already have one. Once you have a Google account, go to YouTube and sign in with your new account. In the top right corner of the page, click on the circular profile icon and then click on the My Channel option. From the Create a New Channel page, you can either create a new personal channel or a new brand account. If you choose to create a personal channel, your Google account will automatically be connected to it. If you choose to create a brand account, you'll need to provide additional information such as your business name and contact information. Once you've chosen your channel type, click on the Create button to proceed. You'll be taken to your new channel's dashboard, where you can customize your channel's appearance by adding a profile picture and cover photo, as well as writing a channel description. You can also choose to link your channel to a website or social media accounts. To start uploading videos, click on the camera icon in the top right corner of the page and select the Upload Video option. You'll be able to choose a video file from your computer and add a title, description, and any relevant tags or annotations. Once you've finished uploading your video, you can share it with your subscribers by clicking on the Publish button. That's it. With your new YouTube channel set up, you're ready to start creating and sharing content with the world.